Hi, today on Enso Homestead, we're making a quick and dirty rolling cart. So I found this 1-inch plywood at the scrap pile at Home Depot. I didn't even know they made 1-inch plywood, but I got it for pennies on the dollar. So I'm just cutting out some platforms and some legs, and we're gonna make a crude cart. All right, cutting up some legs. All right, so there's the quick and dirty extension. All right, with the mobile cart, no more dragging the chop saw and the planer out from under the shelving. You can go where I go.